Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna be replacing the ignition coils, and I'm gonna show you how to replace the spark plugs on a Volkswagen Jetta, the TSI engine. This one's a 2018. All right, so first we have to remove the cover of the engine. It's pretty easy. You just have to pull up. It has like 3 plugs on it. So those ones go in here. So we're gonna start by removing these nuts right here. They are a 10 millimeter. Alrighty, remove the cables. And you're gonna remove the other nuts. Same size. Make sure you guys get something like a magnet to hold them together so you do not lose anything. Alright, to remove the harness, just pull up on this little clip and pull up. Alright, so now that you remove the harness, the coils, just play around with them and pull them out. Alrighty, so last time I replaced my spark plugs. I'm not gonna be replacing them today, but I'm gonna show you how to take them out. So with a spark plug puller, 5/8. Alright, so that's how you take them out. And the spark puller has a rubber seal at the bottom. That's why it pulls it out. If you don't have one, you can use a 5/8 and a magnet to take it out. And then to put it back in, same thing. Make sure you guys use a torque wrench and torque them to between 18 and 20 pounds. There you go. And you're gonna do the same procedure with all 4. Now we have our new coils right here. That's the part number. I got this one from the dealer. And then to put them on, it's pretty easy. Just stick them in there. So you want to put everything back how you got it out. Alrighty, and then at the end, just reconnect everything. Make sure you align them first, because everything goes in almost at the same time. You're gonna hear them click. Alright, put the cables back. Put the nuts back. put your cover back on.
And there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.